my name is Mille Tang. I am an Australian bartender hailing from Brisbane. Today we're making a beautiful simple cocktail that you can make at home, which is the strawberry and vanilla cooler. A cooler is kind of a very loose term for a mixed long iced drink. This cocktail is a perfect example of that. In this cocktail we're just using vodka, citrus, which is lime juice, and our strawberry and vanilla syrup. To create our cocktail we're going to be starting with some lime juice, followed by our homemade strawberry and vanilla syrup. We're going to add our vodka. And now we're going to add some ice to our shaker. And we want to shake this really nice and hard, combine all those ingredients together, get the temperature nice and cold, and add a little bit of dilution to our drink. And once our tin's nice and frosty, we know our drink is ready to crack. So this is a perfect glass to enjoy this cocktail in. It's got that beautiful shape that carries up into your nose so you can smell all the beautiful aromatics of this cocktail. And then we're gonna strain this over our ice and some fresh cucumber. And to finish off, we're just gonna add a splash of soda water. And finally, we're gonna garnish this with just a little bit of mint. So that is our strawberry and vanilla cooler. Perfect drink to make at home, super simple, super easy. Also, smells and tastes delicious. So you can create your own delicious strawberry and vanilla cooler by collecting your quality glassware at Coles.